Hey everyone, welcome back to Jobkar. I'm Shabana and today we will discuss about a job opportunity from Advanced. This is the company Advanced, so they are hiring for trainee engineer for the field of development. So we will discuss all the details about the job. But before moving further with the details, I would like to request you to subscribe to Jobkar for more job updates in future. If you are new to the channel, then we are Jobker, and here you will get videos on daily basis for different job recruitment and placement preparation. So consider subscribing to the channel as this will definitely gonna help you get your first job. So please do like, share, and subscribe, and you can also share the video and hit the bell icon so you never miss any update. And with that note, let's quickly move further with the video details. So Advanced is hiring for trainee engineer for the field of development. So this is the entry level hiring strategy is all about identifying potential. Be passionately believe that your individual personality and core strength are what can make you right for us, and they want you to learn, to discover, to experiment, and to make a difference. Okay. Now what will you do as a trainee engineer? So you will be working with an agile team to develop, test, and maintain web and desktop based business applications, assisting in the collection and documentation of users' requirement and development of user stories and estimates, and preparing reports, manuals, and other documentation on the status and operation and maintenance of software. You will design, develop, and unit test application in accordance with the established standard, and develop quality code and incorporate review comments from peer review, and participate in scrum calls to estimate development timelines, and participating in peer reviews of solutions design and related code. Apart from that, you will set up environment to deploy and test the solutions, package and support deployment of releases, and analyzing and resolving technical and application problem, and provide demo to the QA team, gather and incorporate feedback about developed functionality, and provide associate to trace customer report issues, and adhering to high quality development principles while delivering solutions on time and budget, and providing third level support to business users. Okay, so this is the job responsibilities. Now general criteria, or you can say the eligibility criteria, is you should be a BE or BTech graduating from 2023 batch. Okay, so 2023 batch only is eligible. If you are pursuing BE or BTech or any engineering graduate, then and going to pass out in 2023, then you are eligible. Branches should be limited to computer science, IT, and information science branches. These three branches are eligible, and you should have 60% throughout academics, 10th, 12th, or diploma, and no backlogs currently. So when you are applying for the job, there should be no backlogs. Okay. Now, the core competency requirements are solid understanding of object oriented programming concepts, solid understanding of relational database design and querying concepts, familiarity with version control concepts, and exposure to Microsoft .NET or Java, and exposure to web development using HTML5, CSS, JavaScript, knowledge of client server and application development, and knowledge of agile development methodology, and knowledge of unit testing theory. Okay. Now this is what we do for you. So this is the you can say perks what you will get at the like when you join the company. So you will get 20 days plus public holidays with the possibility to buy additional days. Okay, so you will get 20 days leaves, and every Friday afternoon off thought out July and August or equivalent time in the week. So this will be your summer Friday kind of thing. Then you will get your life insurance, top achievers clubs, 65% internal mobility, and exposure to the latest technologies. Okay, so these are the perks you will get when you join the company. Okay, apart from that they have not mentioned anything. So this is a really good opportunity for 2023 batch, so do apply, and I will provide the link in the description box, so you go to the link, and then you can click by this apply for this job online button, and complete your application. And for further procedure they will coordinate to you through your registered email ID, so just wait for their emails, and till then you can prepare yourself for the written test and interview. Okay, so this is all about today's job update. I hope you like the video, and if you do so, then please hit the like button and subscribe to Jobker for more job updates in future, and I'll be coming back with more such kind of videos. Till then, take care and bye bye.